Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem a bit complex at first, but don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. We're talking about the OTC market, but what exactly is it? First, let me introduce you guys to my Telegram signals trading group. Here I provide 7 to 10 daily trading signals with 90 to 95% accuracy. You can check the feedbacks of our members there. Message me on Telegram to join my signals trading group for free. Link will be in the description. The OTC market stands for over-the-counter market. Unlike traditional stock exchanges and binary trading, where trading happens on a centralized platform, the OTC market is decentralized. It's a place where traders buy and sell financial instruments directly between two parties without a centralized exchange or broker. Now, let's simplify this a bit further. Now imagine you have a local farmers market. You go there, find farmers selling their produce directly to customers. There's no big supermarket in between. Similarly, the OTC market is like a financial farmers market, where traders directly exchange stocks, bonds, and other financial products. In the OTC market, buyers and sellers can negotiate prices directly. This flexibility allows for trading a wide range of assets, including stocks of smaller companies that might not be listed on major stock exchanges. Now, you might be wondering, why do people use the OTC market? Well, one reason is flexibility. Since transactions happen directly between parties, there are often fewer regulations and requirements. Additionally, the OTC market operates electronically, making it accessible 24/7. This means trading can happen outside traditional market hours, as the Forex is closed for 2 days, that is weekends, offering more opportunities to investors around the world. Here, you can see on screen that other Forex pairs are closed, and only OTC pairs are open, where people can trade even on Saturdays and Sundays. Always remember, while the OTC market offers unique opportunities, it's essential to be informed and make wise investment decisions. And there you have it, a simple overview of the OTC market. It's like a decentralized financial farmers market, where buyers and sellers meet directly to trade various financial products. Just like any market, it has its advantages and risks. I hope this explanation helped you understand what the OTC market is all about. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-understand explanations on various topics. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.